Hi, my name is Rick. I'm here at the InsiteIG facility, and today we're going to talk about implementing the self-cleaning feature for the online continuous sensors. This can be done for DO, suspended solid, pH, and ORP. You're going to need a couple of items to get this started. You're going to need an air or water supply at between 30 and 65 psi. You're going to need a way of switching the supply on and off. In this case, we're going to use a solenoid valve that I've already installed. And then you're going to need some 1/4-inch tubing, semi-rigid, to run the either air or water to the sensor. The first thing we need to do to get started is at the sensor that we're going to do the self-cleaning with, we need to remove this little plug that comes with it from the factory. And you just press down on this little gray ring and it'll slip right out. And then we take our 1/4-inch tubing that we've run through the mounting pipe, and you just plug it into this hole and it'll kind of snap in place, and that ring will hold it on. If you ever need to remove that, just press down on that ring like this and pull it out. But again, for right now, we're just going to go ahead, push it in, and then install the sensor back in the mounting pipe that goes in the basin. The other end of the air line that's running to our sensor here, we've mounted it back on the handrail. We want to take and bring to the outlet side of the solenoid valve and just put it in, quick disconnect. We've already plugged in our supply side, either air or water, going through this solenoid. And then the solenoid would get hooked up to power, and you put one leg of the power through the cleaning relay, which is relay number 4, which is the one on this end. So one leg of the power for the solenoid would go through that relay. The next step is to set up that relay such that it acts as a switch to turn off and on our supply for cleaning. Press menu, go down to setup, press enter. The first option that comes up is relay, so press enter. Scroll down until you get to clean schedule, press enter. The default is off. You can have it set for demand only, or you can put a schedule in. In this case, 10, 20 minutes, whatever. We're going to select 20 minutes, which is what I actually recommend to start with. Press enter. Then go down to the next option, which is clean jet time. Press enter. 5 seconds. I actually recommend starting at 20 seconds. Press enter. Scroll down to the next one, clean recovery time. That's the default is 5 seconds. That's usually plenty. So just press enter. Press menu. Press menu. Press run. And we just set up the self-cleaning. So what we've managed to do now is set it up such that the sensor will be cleaned automatically by our 30 to 65 psi water or air every 20 minutes for 20 seconds. The analyzer will hold all the readings, hold all the outputs during that time so you don't get spikes for air or anything. And then once the self-cleaning is off, it'll wait 5 seconds and then it'll go back to normal operation. At any time, you can walk up to the analyzer. When it's in the run normal mode, if you press the enter, it'll go do a demand clean and it'll come up and say cleaning on the display.